people, welcome back to my channel. So it's me again, Jenny DIY, and back to you again. I'm coming to you with these two pieces that I made. I make this with linen fabric, and believe me, it's not difficult to make. It's very simple, and I'm going to be showing you how to create the pattern for this top. But for the short, you can use your short to create the pattern. And for this linen fabric, I use is a little bit thick linen fabric, but you can use any fabric of your choice. And one more thing, I'm going to be making this video into two parts because it's too long, so I don't want to upload it all at once. So I'm going to be uploading the part 1 and part 2. So you will be watching part 1 of how I made a short, and the part 2 will be how I made the top. And I hope you enjoy this video. Please do leave your comment if you have any question, and also if you make this, send me your picture. You can send me a picture on my email address, or maybe you can send on my Instagram. I'm going to be leaving my Instagram, and you can also follow me on Instagram. You can send me your picture. And let's get right into it. Be blessed. Ciao. So you can see I already have my pattern that I use my short to create, and also my fabric and elastic and scissors and thread. So now I'm going to cut out the pieces, and to do that I'm going to first cut the short. So I place it and pin it to secure it. So now I'll cut it. So for the top, I'm using one of my crop top to cut it. So you can see how I'm cutting it. But like I said earlier, I'm going to be showing you how to make the top, on my second video. So I will just cut it now and keep it aside, and then I will start working on the short. So this is the remaining pieces. I'm going to be using it later for the top. So now I have my short. So for the short, what I did, I place the front and the back, because it's 4 pieces, 2 front and 2 back. So I take one front and one back and join it together at the crotch. So you can see I'm pinning it. That's where I'm going to sew it. I will do the same thing to the other one. So now I'm going to join it together. As you can see, I'm going to join it on the crotch and stitch it. So here is the look. So you can see the next thing now is to join the pieces together and sew by the both side. So the next thing now to do is to add the elastic. So before that, I'm going to use this as my waistband. So I measure to my waist. Now I'm going to attach it on the short. I'll pin it and then sew it. But while sewing it, you have to leave some open where you will be able to put the elastic. So now I'm going to stitch it, leaving a small open. So here is the look. Now the next thing is to add the elastic band, and you can see the size of elastic band that I'm using. So it depends on you how you want the waist to be. So after adding the elastic band, it's all done. All I have to do is to hem the bottom of the short and it's finished. So it's, like I said, it's very simple and easy to make. So, and I will be seeing you on my next video to show you how I make the top. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like this video. See you in my next video. Bye.